Okay, here we go, the Houck brothers. Fishing adventures. Caden Houck up there on the front of the boat. And back here on the back is Nathan Houck of Houck Brothers Adventures Tours. Secret location in South Florida. One of these canals down here. And
we're going for a double fish.
Double? We're going for a double. Okay, go. I see one fish on, potentially on. He's trying to come out of there with him. Did he get him? Not yet. Does he still have a minnow? Yes, Caden has an Oscar and a tree. We could call it a tree fish. Let him go down a little, Caden. Let him pull it down through there.
I don't think I have him anymore.